Okay, so this is our back little area, and we've got the washing machine, and this is where you kill the chickens and you know, clean them and everything, and then you wash up and everything out here too. They didn't know how to wash up my plates from dinner, so that they're the only ones that didn't get washed up. All the rest actually did get washed up. But anyway, but but he's up here welding, standing up on a thing. But they prefabricated both these sides here, and they're building a roof over the top, right? And so they bolted it on to the wall, which is fair enough. Put a slope on it, right, which is fair enough. But then they prefabricated it, and now they're welding posts on. So the posts are just sitting on top of the concrete wall. And then they're going to put a cage around it, because Lily's worried about strangers coming and lifting the washing machine up over there and stealing it. And I kind of figure if people are that desperate to steal a washing machine, they deserve it. But anyway, that's just my opinion. And there's my friend over here. That's Tuk. Xin chào Tuk. But they weld without a welding helmet. You know, just you know, almost well, they got little rubber thongs on. Okay, so all the safety equipment, and then they're welding galvanized steel on, and they're not cleaning the gal up before they weld it on. But anyway, but anyway, all of this work here to put a roof over this, right? It's I think she said 100 BND per meter or that, but it no or million BND per meter. No, no. Yeah. I think anyway they reckon that the bottom line price should only be 3 million. But it's interesting, isn't it? So 3 million at $200 to fabricate and weld up a roof over this. You know, I could do it myself, and arguably I could do the job the way I wanted instead of the way they're going to do it. But you know, for $200, they can do it however they want. Because I couldn't be bothered doing it for $200, that's for sure. Those other guys hold the other end of the tape. Anyway, it's all, and I'm not allowed to do this, just by the way, because I said about me climbing up on the roof today to run some cables through for the Ethernet cable up into the bedroom, because they wouldn't run the Ethernet cable through the roof. And I said that's no problem. I can just run it straight up through the pipes and into the roof. And anyway, the whole family went, "Oh no, you can't do that. Like, run a cable up into the roof. It's only a couple of weeks before your wedding, and it's bad luck, because walking on a roof before your wedding is bad luck, because you know, back in history somebody fell off a roof before their wedding, and you know, and so even though I work on roofs all day long, you know, bad luck might happen to me if I walk on a roof before my wedding. So I've got to make sure I don't do that. The week after my wedding, it seems to me no better result. Like, if I'm prone to falling off roofs, and then the week after my wedding, after we're married, after, you know, she might be pregnant with our baby and whatever, then if I fall off a roof and kill myself, apparently that's okay. But before the wedding, it's not okay. anyway, all of these things are new to me. So, but anyway, oh, and by the way, it's Sunday, and so this is being fabricated and built on Sunday. It's just, and we only, like, Lily talked to him a couple of days ago about it. This is the same guy that built the motorbike ramp for us, and so yeah, and that's his ladder, made out of bamboo with bamboo runners on it. Amazing, isn't it? But like I said, the neighbours have got, you know, fruit trees in their backyard and stuff. If somebody lifted a washing machine over the fence there, as far as I'm concerned, and got it past all the neighbours and our friendly local old guy, then they deserve a washing machine. Anyway, we'll see. Like, comment, subscribe, share. It's all good fun. And like, you know, this house, 35,000. It's just it, and this is a high quality home here with a washing machine and cooktops and fridge and I had a whole bunch of family over today and none of them. I'll just move inside. None of them had ever even seen an oven, never alone known how to use it. So like this little oven here, the whole family looked at it and went, we don't know how to use it. And so all I did was bake some potato and some chicken in there. They wouldn't eat the chicken or the potato because they thought it wasn't any good. Because everything they cook in Vietnam is a soup, and so it was just, I guess it's weird for them, but it's not weird for us. But yeah, there's just lots of different cultural things in Vietnam, Anyway, so it's all good fun. All right. Anyway, like, comment, subscribe, share. My experience in Vietnam, and I'm in North Vietnam, just between Hanoi and Haiphong.